Yeah, Jeneral Rojah this, you know. It's the original Ras General, you know. I see you a brass son too, I know. I'm on dancer, yeah. I'm on a heart, so we block them like silly roses. Can't stop me, me come like the rod of Moses. Contagious, we are everywhere like osmosis. It's a come natural, and we never force this. What is written, and just roll this. Vibes over Lord, vibes over knows me. Give me the blind and the deaf, them already noticed. Yeah, yeah. And then I chose this, yeah. May I say friends come and go, but life goes soon. I we run the streets, I we run the road. I'm on tears, I'm on sorrows. Only that I know. Number one dancer, the king of the new school. Don't run with me, they can lose school. The broken hearts, them I am used to. They don't trust the friends of my hits, I am used to. Them I love is tell them about it. Ooh. General Rojah, you are too good. If you don't know, you need to be schooled. I'm on a banking, so we rule. One of them I go for the killer with no mercy. You can bench this boy or not, no mercy. I'm on the back from infancy. Listen, yeah. I say be careful of them and the way you call you my bro. Some of them are vampires, them are test for your blood. Keep your enemies closer and your friends close. Be like a friend where can says my no. Trust nobody, not on my boy a go. Beginning them, learn to respect the road. Not on the high key and still on the low. As the best on your dead body, them I go find you. Let's so I make them return to the doors. Original thing, not one of the doors, one of the angel. Tell them why them feel sure the white thing. Hey, when we step a road, man, I live in them, they say general, come please. Without me, nothing, this is never complete. Get to risk it, are you here to compete? Life is a game of chances, sometimes you have to risk it. Oh, me chop you like me biscuits, call them and call them I like they can't beat them or sleep with mama and them wet bed sheets. But the one boy, they want to watch this. No start it, I'm just like testing, psychic tune. As I'm the HFBs, I'm amazing. And the fire can't cease, Love, respect to Ras General, you know. So we have a live section, you know. Somewhere in West Africa, you know. Jeneral Rojah, you know. Here to support my sister and my brother, you know. The one dancer. Jeneral Rojah on the place. Yeah. Love, respect, you know. Jeneral Rojah on the place. Yeah. Them I do everything that them come to communicate with. Baja is my strength, him motivates me. Every step man I make, them I calculate it. Them a bumbo class type, men I calibrate it. The sheep from the goat on office separate it. Them talk about loyalty, them me never practice. We give thanks for life and we celebrate it. Yeah. And we are Chandong, Babylon rights, them can make it strong. It's not over to we tell them I say we never done the race, it's not for the street. By you, and the rest we baton. Straight to one more dancer, you know. We're not joking around here. Yeah. Them a go under my yoke cause them refuse to grow. Or them a pray is to see we fall. I lie them a tell we still standing tall. Their vibes overload. And we are flex on them champion popping. Some high touch stress. And we are popping money on my mind. Tell them we know darling. Money call me my darling. My eye on the money. My eye on the money. My bunny money, I bunny money, yeah. My bunny money, my bunny money, my bunny money, I bunny money. Wa, na sesi kaniba na semba no ba. Ula, na baby if you no shine your eye na see keisa. Now yes, or we bring small money to take care of mama and the family. We're not in a competition with nobody. See, can I happen? We don't want no poverty. I'm money, and my mommy no deal with no boy. Why you funny? Don't call me if you don't have money. I'm sorry, we're not in a poverty. Straight no whiting. My money, my money. My funny money, I funny money. What answer? My funny money, my funny money. My funny money, I funny money. Every straight to white, put on no lighter. Vibes, every feed the instrumental. Dancehall thing, I am the master. Pick up me uncle, city master. I am a boss, no yes, a master. There's a creation and make me stronger. Jam shield. Any army anchor, the instrumental, the foot for me anger. Don't see my friend any longer. We over them and me no under. So Mr. Danger, I say one and ever. I am done with them, I say man and mother. No star feeding them, I claim superstar. Them never was go, them I claim gangster. Funny boy, who tire into laughter. Into laughter. You already know straight to white thing. It's a real thing, no long thing. Consciousness, no round thing. We work hard all day, no lazy thing. Vibe so sweet, every girl want sing. Walk on Jaja way, them can make we sing. We start this thing, sing. So guide your thought and your instincts. Everything man I do, make it distinct. Keep your fire burning, don't make it distinct. Everything clean, no naughty thing, no naughty thing. Straight up white thing. This life is hard and this life is full of hustle, but keep on moving, no standing, no stopping. Remember everything I do in time is watching. The time is moving, the clock keep on ticking. Whatever vampires I wanna blow them and stacking. Can't you see the street children them suffering? Issues of youth and everyday job sex. They whatever Babylon. Them say we no know nothing. Man, not joking. I'm still hoping my eyes well to see what will happen. Tell me something, them say we no know nothing. So live a better life of peace and stop rushing. Cause the riches I say they are all nothing. Cause if you are dead, 6 feet and never nothing. No one confident, This rushing, Don't forget about this. And if you have anything you have to do, try and do and go, We give thanks for life, Jeneral Rojah, here around here, That's how we wake up in the morning, this is what I and I pray for. We pray for the Baba money, I pray for the paper. If you don't make up today, surely tomorrow you are going to make up. So keep on pushing on, and till the time you wake up, you going to make up, baby. I say time will tell, no. Time will tell, no. So never give up, me. I say time will tell, no. Time will tell, no. So never give up, me. I say time will tell, no. Time will tell, no. So never give up, me. I say time will tell, no. Time will tell, no. So never give up. Jeneral Rojah, this, Big up to man like Ras General. I see you, King, Mystic. I see you, Uncle Mystic, Not respect everybody doing the view right now, Yeah, I see you. Everybody inside. Anybody on Central Campus, I see you, not respect, Jeneral Rojah body place. Yeah. One answer. Enjoy the naturalness, We give thanks for life and everything within it,
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I saw that thing. Nice. Yeah, man. It's nice. Greetings to you wherever you are around the world. Welcome to Aroma Studios. This is right located at the western parts of Africa. Western parts of Africa, and then the central parts of Ghana. We are located inside Kasua. Okay, Kasua, Top Hill, Peace Town. You locate Aroma Studios. And live right here, right now, is my own artist and brother. Giving you some acoustic in there, and he's just trying to put me in the mood for us to have some love extract section. My name is General, and your host for this brief acoustic, and it's all for the Parrot Speaks. You know how well she's coming with spoken word and poetry, ladies and gentlemen. And so today, like if you've been following the page, we've been giving you updates on how we've been trolling with Gifted EP, ladies and gentlemen. And thank you so much so far. If you've been following, Gifted EP is traveling as fast as possible. And if you are out there supporting us any which way, we do really appreciate, and we say big up yourself, let you appreciate us. Well, on the Gifted EP, we have one of the most priority one that a lot is loving, ladies and gentlemen, and is somewhere in West Africa. We could be talking about Ghana, we could be talking about any other parts of Africa, but somewhere specifically in West Africa, ladies and gentlemen. And so that is basically what is happening. So we decided to take as much as possible to explore that particular piece from the Parrot Speaks. And the team decided to extend the promotion with a live acoustic. Now, when you're talking about live acoustic, when you're talking about live programming, when you're talking about live music, I didn't choose any other person than the gentleman right here with me. And he does it nice, professional, and very mature. And so, if you see Jeneral Rojah featured on this particular live acoustic, then she tell you something. And so, I do really appreciate him entertaining you before I came in, and that is what he will be doing before this session ends. And it's all about the Parrot Speaks, bringing to you live acoustic version with Jeneral Rojah, deliberating more life on the title Somewhere in West Africa. And we are diving deeper into it with a vibe of live acoustic. Now, people say, man, can we do something? Yeah, yes, that's something. Let me see if I can do something before I introduce the person you'll be waiting for. Yeah, man.
That's General.
Let's see if I can remember everything right. Hit me something. Oh, yeah. Reggae is so nice. Reggae is so beautiful. Reggae can take your mind. Reggae can rock you through. Reggae is nice. Reggae is beautiful. I said reggae is nice. I said reggae is beautiful. You know, straight Alright, so just to get you in the mood, I'm about to step it out and introducing to you the moment you've been waiting for. It's the Parrot Speaks with Jeneral Rojah right here, right now at Aroma Studios, right situated inside here in Kaswa. Coming for all your live band events, all your live band music. This is the place to be. And I officially introduce you what out there to come in and have an experience that we're having right now. Well, big respect to Exonic, big respect to manager, yeah? Before I close the show, I'll mention your name. But big respect to our Aroma Studios team for this opportunity. We extended our hands and then they decided to help us. And so we do really appreciate your support and effort to bring this thing to pass. I know the struggle we're going through just to bring this, but finally we're here. All right, so without wasting more time, let me introduce to you the one you've been waiting for. Yes, let me, mine with a round of applause. Let me welcome the Parrot Speaks. Yes, most of the people know her to be. What's her name? But I'm speaking about the poetry. She's known as the Parrot Speaks, and I present to you what the Parrot Speaks. What are you doing?
We're doing a live acoustic one somewhere in Africa. Yeah.
All right, so I'll leave you guys. Let her come through and do her own thing. I present to you the Parrot Speaks and Jeneral Rojah.
Okay. Hi, I'm the Parrot Speaks, and today I'm here with Jeneral Rojah. Yeah, to do a live acoustic on somewhere in West Africa. So somewhere in West Africa basically is West Africa, and we're talking about what West Africa we are going through. I know you and I would relate to anything you hear this evening. And so, sit quietly, take a sip of Sobolo, and enjoy what we are about to do. Okay, let's do it.
Every day, blood I go run them. That is the wicked man and man them. Every day, blood I go run them. Africa, 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 must rise.
Having the limitation to the sky can be in vain, but having the dream to your destination can be achieved and maintained. The life which never gave up its brutality and hostility, excruciated but still stood on the ground for victory. The hope and inspiration of Africa, the land of Africa enriched with natural and human resources, which is easily artifacted.
Africa, 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 must rise.
Kings, queens, fertile spirits, sorcerers were the rulers and mandators of the land. The land's own were made evil. Oh, the land enriched in natural and human resources has now turned into a beggar, engaged and enslaved as guilt ties leaders up, while the innocent continue to suffer its violence.
Africa, 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 must rise.
Pain of destruction has come in. A great mist is coming to no end. When the love of affection is given to a world, then the world becomes a mist of glory. The country has a lot of seaters, but not leaders. Birds can't fly with wings. Tortoise without a shell is easily killed. A great disability enforces a spiritual mentality, but does not grade to spirituality.
Every day, blood I go run them. That is the wicked man among them. Every day, blood I go run them. Every day, blood I go run them. That is the wicked man among them. Every day, blood I go run them.
Policies are meant to favor the people, not to abuse them. Rights are meant to help the people, not to dismantle their action. A country is meant for the stand for the people, not to sit on them. Our tremendous vision still remains in our beautiful minds. We're still speechless out of fear until the breakdown. That tremendous dream of tomorrow must erupt into realities, and freedom will be restored somewhere in West Africa.
Somewhere in Africa, somewhere in Africa, somewhere in Africa, there is so much pain. Somewhere in Africa, somewhere in Africa, somewhere in Africa, there is so much pain. Every day, blood I go run them. That is the wicked man among them. Every day, blood I go run them. Africa, 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 you must rise.
Arise, Africa. Arise, youth of Africa. We are so much into pain. Many distractions. Many distractions. Yes, we have a dream. Let's speak out and take the fear out of us. Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Thank you.
Of respect as General.
Yeah. All right. All right. All right. So, that is basically what is supposed to be done. And as Africans, this is what we've been waiting for. And this is what we need to talk about. There's a lot Africans are going through. This is the moment and this is the time you have to hear the youth rise up. You have to hear the youth voice out. And unfortunately, you need to listen to us because there's a lot that is in the youth of Africans. And that is one of them. The Parrot Speaks decides to share her version of what she's been going through in Africa, specifically somewhere in West Africa. But I know that you can also out there relate to it. General Rojah can relate to it, and that is why he came to support. I know you out there also have a version and you can relate to that. Just when you come, if you unfortunately didn't join us, just when you come and watch this, share for us, and then let's spread the information to the world, because somewhere in Africa, West Africa to be precise, is suffering, and we need to speak out. Thank you very much, Jeneral Rojah, for coming in show. Big respect to the Parrot Speaks herself. But yes, the two are my great talents. I don't know if you are here to join. The Parrot, how do we get on social media?
On social media, Facebook, IG, YouTube, Audio Mac, everywhere. It's the Parrot Speaks. So it's not THE. I beg. It's DE, then Parrot as the normal parrot, then the Speaks added to.
What about those who don't know how to spell parrot?
So the Parrot Speaks is spelled as DEPARROT, then SPEAKS. The Parrot Speaks.
All right.
Yeah.
And then quick one on how far is the album going? The EP going?
Yeah, it's live. It's on Audio Mac and then YouTube. We have the audio slides for the poems on YouTube, and then we have the audio on Audio Mac. It's going well, and you love it. Just go and stream it. There's a lot of messages in there for you, so go and stream it.
All right. Quick one on Rojah.
Yo, on Facebook is Jeneral Rojah, and the General is JENERAL.
A lot misses that you're General.
JENE, J for General, J for General. JENERAL, and the Rojah is ROJAH on all social media platforms. Audio Mark, everywhere, Jeneral Rojah. But I have this upcoming project. Jam for Love concerts inside Winneba local prisons. We are doing this for the prisoners. Okay. So if you want to support, you can just link me up on social media, and then we see how I want to go. It's on 8th October. Okay. We are playing music for them. We'll give them food, and we are doing this with the music department, my friends in the music department. So it's going to be back-to-back fireworks and some food items, drinks, and water. So if you can support, you need support. All right. You just let us know.
Yes. Come in. This is the second edition, right?
Yeah, this is the second edition.
Yes, let's all come in support. We are all needs, but some need us more than we need ourselves. So just let's come in support. And at the end of the day, that is what they need.
And some of these prisoners are innocent people.
Right. So not all of them are criminals. Yes. So let's go support them. On 8th of October. Let's go support them. The same way it's come to support us, let's go and support him. All right, before I go, quick one. My name is General, same way. Big respect to Edison. Eddie, what is the manager's name?
Sergio.
All right, so Mr. Sergio, wherever I know you are working, wherever you find yourself, trust me, I do really appreciate this opportunity. And then to Mama Sergio, yes, I really stress you this evening, and I do really appreciate you guys' support. Not everybody will do that, and so welcoming us like this. We do really appreciate it. And to you out there who didn't come earlier and want to watch now, we are done. Alright, so just pick up yourself. When you come later and then you want to watch, just watch it, share with other friends. Let us see the talent that this lady got. Alright. Big respect to Ebenezer of Ghana Web. You're doing amazing work for this lady. And I do really appreciate it. Alright. So big respect to you. Malum, you've also been one great guy to support the Pirates. And to you out there, Smile Time, Mistake, almost all of you supporting the brand, the Parrot Speaks. I love all of you. I appreciate all. Dr. Flo, big up yourself. Family Law Enterprise, big up yourself for being a part of this. But the most that I want to say a big thank you is Aroma Studios. And this area is a nice place. Coming for all your live band music, coming for all your live music. I think this is what we want to hear, live music, and no other place than this place. And I know after a year, Jeneral Rojah will come back. Alright, so if you also you love live band music, you love live music, this is the place to be. We are located in Kaswa, Peace Town, right? Alright, so just when you get to Kaswa, just ask of Peace Town car, taxi, or any other. It will bring you live right here, and you can come in. They are very hospitable when you come in, and it's nice. It's a family thing, and then you can come in. We do it nice anytime, any day. Just come to our man. Thank you very much. I think we're done.
Yeah.
Last things to go. You want to greet anybody?
Yeah, my girls. Okay, so to my girls, the two Mrs. Enlargementness, that's how I call it, and then Patience, Angie. I love you girls. Thank you for your support. And my mom, Miss May, and then Jungle. I love you all. Stay safe. Bye.
Alright, so we are not done. This is the live acoustic.
Okay.
Expect something great coming up from this particular project. Okay, if not here, on another side. Thank you very much.
Yeah, man. Thank you very much.
Bye, man.
Oh, you don't
Man.
think-
Man.